Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Mel. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today, I'm going to talk about how to pick the luckiest number for your cell phone, mobile phone, or home phone. So, first, you have to write down your date of birth, the entire date of birth. So, suppose for an example, somebody's date of birth is June 17, which is 6, then 17 and 1983. So now you're going to create the Lo Shu grid chart, and then in the chart you're going to put all the numbers which comes in the chart. So Lo Shu grid chart, all the way at the bottom is 6, then middle is 1, then 8, then we have 4, 9, we have center 5, and then we have a 7, and we have 3, and we have 2. So all the way in the top you're going to put 4, 9, 2, then comes 3, 5, 7, then comes 8, 1, 6. So this is the basic chart, and I have already included the pictures of the chart. Now you're going to put your number. So I'm going to put here what I wrote for a example birthday. So I wrote 6, so I'm going to put next to the 6 another 6, and then I wrote 1, so I'm going to put 17. So you put when the date is 17, you put 1, and then 7 you do put in the place of 1 1, in the place of 7 7. So then 1983, so 1983 you put another 1 next to the 1 for 19, and then you put 9 next to the 9. 83 you put the 8 and 3. So you see, pretty much all the houses fill. What's not there in this birthday? 4 is not there, and 5 is not there, and 2 is not there. So this birth date missing 4, 5, and 2. Now when you go get your cell phone number, try to get number around this, and if you get repeated number, then get repeated number around this, but don't get any more repeated number of what you already have. So you can get repeated number of 4s like double 4. You can get repeated numbers of 5 because you don't have that. You can get repeated numbers of 2. You don't have that, but get it like 2 repeated number. But if you get it, then maximum 3. Don't get more than 3, then it gives bad effect. Anything in excess is bad. Okay, so if it's 1, then it's very strong. As it repeats, then it gets weaker and weaker. So this is how you can find out what number you can include in your life and make your home number or cell phone number lucky number, because no one in this world has all the numbers in the Lo Shu grid. The closest I found is someone is missing only 1 number. That was probably the luckiest person, and no repetition. But most of the people has a lot of missing. Some people has even lot of missing. When think about the kids who are born now in 2000, then those kids have a lot of them missing, because see, the people who were born in 1983, even 1998, 19 whatever, and they still have the 1 9, and then whatever is the number comes after that. But the people who were born 2000 onwards, they don't have that 19 parts, so they're missing a lot. So anyway, we need to include these numbers which we are missing in our phone, in our home number, home phone number, cell phone number. We want to use this number somewhere where we use it very often, because the more often we use this number, the better effect we get from the vibration. Now, a lot of times they say like anything that you want to get, you should write that several times. Wake up and write that 500 times. So you can write the entire Lo Shu grid with all the numbers every morning 500 times, so that way you get the effect of those numbers which you're missing, and you will see this will totally change your life over time. Though don't expect it to happen overnight, like overnight everything will just change in your life. No, don't expect that, but over time. And some things are intentionally done by us. Like suppose someone has a lot of repetition of one, now that person definitely gonna have problem with authority figures, parents, father, boss. So that person actually needs to do is every morning, early morning, do the sun prayer, pray to the rising sun. No, it is not silly. It really gives a lot of good effect on your job, finding a job, keeping a job, being able to getting along with your boss and any authority figure in your family. So yeah, all these things are not mambo jumbo. All these things are not useless, because these things, yeah, some people might tell you that so that you don't get the benefit, and that's how they benefit, by you not benefiting from something good. I don't know how it benefits them, but there are people in this world who would want other people to suffer and not have anything good. I mean, there are, I know them. So the things which our ancestors for thousands and thousands of years ago did it, and they had the evidence that yes, they have gotten some benefit from that, and this been recorded in all the religious books from thousands and thousands of years. Now people try to prove this thing. Oh, can you scientifically prove it? Oh, can you really scientifically prove that all the prayers and meditation we are doing, and anybody celebrating anything, doesn't matter what puja is it, our Hindu puja or other culture puja, did anybody actually see the God just came and appear in front of them? No, it's based on belief. So yeah, a lot of things, if you believe, you can have it, and if you don't believe, you can just argue for the end. But bottom line is, if you want to get the benefit of the numbers which missing in your life, and the numbers which are too many times repeated, you're getting bad effect, then try to write the perfect one which has all the numbers every day for 500 times or whatever you can have time. So do that, and then incorporate all those numbers to all your daily things, like your phone number, your mobile number, your fax number, any communication medium, your social media, any way you can use them, because then you'll get their effect. You can even write them in your body. You can write them in a little piece of cards and keep it in your pocket, and they all help. And everything is in belief. If you believe it, it happens. You don't believe it, doesn't. So that's all for today. See you with new things again. Bye bye. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.